I'm sorry, I have already been here,
Mm-hmm.
but I forgot to bring some like this.
Uh-huh.
It is for liquor thing.
It is for... Well, it works that if you come here again and you can have a very nice our hot drink, our hot
Hot
schnapps.
drink?
Taka
Oh,
alkoholny schnapps, ni
okay,
vet vad
okay.
man har.
So that's
And
all right.
I can't give it now.
I think you can.
Let's go.
Okay. Can we drink it here?
Yes, I will bring
Oh,
it here.
Here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Иха! Wait for a moment.
А что тебе придется? You will drink it?
Пока можно станцевать лезгинку.
Это видео нельзя показывать Юре. Это мы
Спасибо, 17 плюс. Подожди. Еще засними, как она принесет.
Yes. She will ask somebody.
Никого она не спрашивает, наливает. А я покручу. Подожди, ты снимаешь.
Мгм.
Самое такое прикольненькое будет. Короче, кто не знает, шнапс это типа нашего мартини.
Oh, this is she's going.
Мартини. Сколько?
This is for you. Thank you very much.
А?
This is
Thank
oh,
you.
it's really hot.
А,
Okay.
Oh, it's
really-
alright. It's just a little bit
Oh.
warm.
It's all right.
And the name is Monk's Pride.
What is it?
Monk's Pride, the name.
Russian Becherovka, I think.
I don't know. Will you drink it?
Where do you come from?
Where come from? It is the near of the Ukraine.
Oh, you're not from Russia.
From
No?
Russia.
Not. It's the previous.
Well.
But you won't drink it. It's no, you won't drink it. He's too young.
Oh.
It is the alcohol.
Yes.
Oh, we don't
But
know.
it's not so strong alcohol.
No,
It's,
he's too young.
oh, well then, if you know better, then of course.
Of course, I think that.
You drink?
But what is it?
When you know.
It's a drink that is made here in Olda Hansa by our monks who live here. And the name Monk's Pride is because, well, monks are holy men who cannot marry. They cannot have no woman next to it.
Because they drank it.
No, because they are, well, they are devoted to God, monks.
But
And because they cannot have no woman. They are sad and they are cold, and that's why they made themselves this kind of a drink. To make them feel happy and warm as well. And that's why the name, the Monk's Pride.
yeah. Yes, thank you very much.
You're most
Bye.
welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.